I fixed several things with paper tape, and it's amazing. Look at this. I tried to fix it with Gorilla Tape before, but the glue just eventually melts. It like comes undone. But this paper tape, that's like hard wood. It is. It's actually wood, so it's like a wooden handle, and I doubt that that will ever break. Check it out, this garbage can lid, it broke. The plastic broke. So I just made a laminated paper tape one. And that tip right there is hard. And I doubt that that will ever break. Now check it out. Works great. I bought this cool old rocking chair at an old-timer store, I guess you could call it. And it's always had this broken spine, rib, whatever you want to call it. You can see that it's just broken there. And I was thinking about how to fix it. And I was like thinking about all these extravagant woodworking things that I could do. But recently, I've discovered paper tape fixing things. This paper tape, when you laminate it in several layers, it is pretty strong and it is really easy. That's the thing, it's so easy and cheap and fast. And so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to roughen it up a little bit, and then I am going to put it together. I don't know if I can do this and film it at the same time, but that's basically what I'm going to do there until it's all roughened up. Okay, so I got it sanded and now I pinned it in place in the front because it was not wanting to stay in the right place. And now I'm going to cut some thin pieces, probably thinner than that, probably about a 3/8 in width. Okay, that'll get me started. Okay, so now you just wet the paper tape and stick it into place. Get it aligned. Okay. Oops, I can't do this with... Okay, there's my first piece of tape. And that first pin did not hold, and so I got a better one. And I hammered it in so it would not come out. And I had to bend that so that I got the spine in the right place. But yeah, that should work. Okay, so I got several pieces of tape on there, and now I'm just going to let it dry until tomorrow. Then I can pull the pin and put a bunch more tape on there. Okay, so I just added a bunch more pieces to that on the bottom and on the front and in the back. And before I started adding more pieces to it, it already felt pretty solid. But after that dries, it's going to be really solid, and then I'm going to put a finish on there of sorts. Probably just, I've got some shellac. I could seal it with beeswax, whatever, so that it doesn't get any moisture in it, because that's a water-soluble glue. And if it gets wet, it'll just come all undone. Now, if you really didn't want that to happen, and you wanted it to be waterproof glue, you could just take some paper and use Titebond. You can use whatever you want to. But that's an easy and quick and solid fix. Now it's not pretty. Now I can, if I want to, I can paint that. I can paint that brown, and then it would really look pretty darn good, wouldn't it? But this old chair, this is an old beat up chair. It still works great, but now it's fixed. It doesn't have anything damaged on it, and it works great. It creaks. Of course, it creaks when I rock on it, but I don't care. And if something else breaks on it, that's probably one of the only things that is likely to break. But I could probably fix just damn near anything on there with paper tape. Isn't that cool? And you can fix all kinds of things with paper tape. And with the water-soluble glue, it's pretty non-toxic as well. It's even environmentally friendly. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. Be well. So there are a lot of people that have different thoughts and ideas and viewpoints from us. And it's good to remember that at some point in your life, you may get into some sort of a real predicament. Like, for instance, you just wrecked your car and it's just about to explode. And one of those people from a different religion or a different political faith, ideology, one of those people might pull your ass out of the car just before it explodes. And God works in mysterious ways. I believe that's in the Bible. And you never know when something like this might happen to you, and set your ass straight. So I want to thank you so much for joining me.